The color of leather can be changed. Sometimes we get unusual jobs for color changes. First, we present the color change of a suitcase for a telecommunication company for a performance on stage. And secondly, the color change of footballs for a television production for the Football World Cup.
Find out the room and got you in his eyes. He came over, talked for hours until the night. We spent all your time together, just about until tonight. Then he turned around and told you all the girls you ain't quite shy. I guess he wasn't, you didn't notice, 'cause of that charming smiley hat. I guess he was a prick and frequently showed it. That finally drove you mad. Now you sit there and ask yourself, what on earth could I've done wrong? But there's no point, 'cause obviously he's a douche and long gone. Was flashing you, she had those pretty deep dark eyes. Shouted and haunted you for days and nights. You spent all your time together, and she played it all quite shy. And on the day was some stormy weather, she told you about the other guy. I guess you was a bitch and you didn't notice, 'cause of that shiny smile she had. I guess she was unique, frequently showed it. That finally drove you mad. Now you sit there and ask yourself, what on earth could I've done wrong? But there's no point, 'cause obviously she's a douche and long gone. You've that single choice to stay or run away. No matter what the future holds, the needs will always stay. So what now? Is it over? Well, I guess if that's the way, the 3 of the show is finally, endlessly, painfully, but obviously, price we have to pay. Stood there at the fire down the road, got you in his eyes. He came over, talked for hours until the night. We spent all your time together, just about until tonight. Then he turned around and told you, with all the girls he ain't quite as shy. I guess he wasn't, you didn't notice, 'cause of that charming smiley hat. I guess he was a freak, frequently showed it. That finally drove you mad. Now you sit there and ask yourself, what on earth could I've done wrong? But there's no point, 'cause obviously he's a douche and long gone.